Now we can do a problem that only 36% of the people got right when they took it on an official GRE test. We're told that a and b are positive integers, and we're given two quantities. Quantity a is a over b, and quantity b is a plus 3 over b plus 3. A lot of students apparently just looked at column B and saw plus 3 on the top and plus 3 on the bottom and said, well, you're doing the same thing to both parts of a fraction. So we'll say the answer's got to be C, the two quantities are equal. But other students said, no, we should plug in a number. Let's make A 1 and B 2. That makes quantity A a half, and quantity B is 1 plus 3 over 2 plus 3, which turns into 4 over 5, and they said 4/5 is larger than 1/2, so the answer's gotta be answer B. But then student says, well, maybe I should check another number. Let's make it into 5 over 10. And that makes column B 5 plus 3 over 10 plus 3, which makes column B 8/13. Can you quickly see which is larger, 5/10 or 8/13? Well, one very generalizable way of comparing fractions is to multiply up and out, and the larger number will be over the larger fraction. So if we multiply 5 times 13, we get 65. And if we multiply 10 times 8, we get 80, and 80 is over the column B fraction, so 8/13 is larger than 5/10. So that means the answer's gotta be answer B again. Let's get really ambitious. Let's try 35 over 70. That makes column B 35 plus 3 over 70 plus 3, which makes column B 38 over 73. And then if we do our up and out multiplying, 70 times 38 is 2,660, and 35 times 73 is 2,555. And here again, the larger number is above the fraction in column B, and so quantity B looks larger, and the student says the answer's gotta be answer B. What could possibly change this situation? Well, one simple way is to just flip the fractions. Nobody said that A was smaller than B, it just said that A was divided by B. So we can put 70 over 35 and compare that to 70 plus 3 over 35 plus 3, which gives us 73 over 38. And if we do our cross multiplying, then all of a sudden the 2660 is under quantity A, and that means that students who did this said the answer's gotta be quantity A is greater. So rather than stumble and mumble and try to find the exception that there has to be one, as soon as you say the answer's gotta be, make sure you spell the answer gotta be with a D. After all, they never said they were different numbers. You could have done 1 over 1, couldn't you? Testing for the public, nonprofit since 1985. No one makes things easier.